Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool wood bell box. It's meant to sit on a desk or a table. And this is Tim's equipment from Arizona, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool bell box. We want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done to this bell box. We want to troubleshoot the coils. We want to make sure that the bell actually works. And then we also want to adjust the clapper for the most action and adjust the ring sound on the bells. And we need to finish off the circuit to make the bell work. We also want to install a dual modular port for your line cords so that this bell box is plug and play. And you can use it alone or you can use it with a telephone. So what you would do is plug the bell box into a telephone jack, and then with the other modular port you continue out to, say, a candlestick telephone or any telephone that you are going to use. So we want to install that dual modular port so that you can utilize a line cord and or another telephone. So it can be standalone or it can be used with a telephone. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We're going to go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool wood bell box, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with our repairs and the conversion, adding the dual modular port for a line cord and for an extra telephone if you want to run a telephone with the bell box. And we want to go ahead and start our final checkout. We're going to go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. We'll let it go one more time and we'll stop the ring cycle. Now that we know that this really cool wood bell box has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit back to Tim and he can start using this bell box. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.